In 2025, the AI race has reached new heights, with OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini emerging as the two smartest conversational models in the world. Both boast powerful reasoning, multimodal capabilities, and deep integration into everyday tools, but which one truly stands out? Whether you're a developer, writer, student, or business user, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of ChatGPT vs Gemini is key to choosing the right AI assistant. Today we will talk about ChatGPT vs Google Gemini. Which one's smarter in 2025? So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The rivalry between artificial intelligence powerhouses intensified in 2025 as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini emerged as the two most dominant conversational AI models. Each represents the pinnacle of its company's technological innovation. ChatGPT, backed by Microsoft and powered by the highly capable GPT 4.5 and GPT 4.1 models, and Google's Gemini, the evolution of DeepMind's large language models, which has grown rapidly from its BART origins into the Gemini 1.5 and now Gemini 2 series. As that becomes more embedded in our daily lives, helping us write code, manage tasks, summarize documents, and even generate creative content, it's only natural to ask, which of these systems is smarter in 2025? Origins and evolution. ChatGPT stems from OpenAI's GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, lineage, which began with GPT-1 in 2018. The current iterations in 2025 include GPT 4.1, available through API, GPT 4.5, the underlying model for ChatGPT Plus users, and the newly emerging O4, OpenAI's latest ultra-capable model, available to enterprise users and developers. ChatGPT has also evolved to include memory features, a powerful code interpreter, voice interaction, and image understanding, becoming a full multimodal assistant. Google's Gemini, on the other hand, evolved from the BART project and DeepMind's language model research. Gemini 1 was launched in late 2023, with Gemini 1.5 in early 2024. By mid-2025, Gemini 2.0 models have been released, showcasing significant improvements in contextual reasoning, real-time web access, and seamless multimodal functionality across text, image, audio, and video inputs. Google integrated Gemini across its ecosystem, Gmail, Docs, YouTube, and Search, giving it widespread user exposure. Intelligence and reasoning capabilities. The smartness of an AI is often gauged by its reasoning skills, ability to handle complex prompts, context retention, and problem-solving capabilities. In 2025, both ChatGPT and Gemini show impressive improvements in these areas, but with nuanced differences. ChatGPT 4.5, used in ChatGPT Plus, exhibits strong general reasoning and creative generation. It's particularly adept in fields like programming, scientific summarization, and step-by-step logical breakdowns. GPT 4.5 can remember user preferences, provide more personalized responses, with memory enabled, and has an edge in giving reliable answers with citations when connected to tools like the Python interpreter in the browser. Gemini 2, by contrast, excels in multimodal reasoning, where ChatGPT may still struggle with intricate image analysis or video summarization. Gemini's ability to natively handle and reason across modalities gives it an edge in perception tasks. Gemini also pulls real-time data directly from the web, allowing it to give up-to-date answers with less reliance on tool switching. Its memory and context management are also more tightly integrated across Google services. In head-to-head benchmark tests like MLU, Massive Multitask Language Understanding, ARTC, A2 Reasoning Challenge, and GSM-8K Grade School Math, both models score at superhuman levels. However, Gemini 2.0 slightly outperforms GPT 4.5 on certain reasoning-heavy benchmarks, thanks in part to Google DeepMind's unique RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback, fine-tuning process. That said, GPT 4.1, which is not available in ChatGPT but in the API, still leads in code-based tasks and structured reasoning. Multimodal capabilities. One of the biggest trends in 2025 is the rise of multimodal AI, models that can handle not just text, but also images, audio, and video. Here, Google Gemini 2.0 is arguably ahead. It allows seamless integration of images, charts, diagrams, and even video input. It can, for example, watch a video, summarize the content, extract action items, and generate captions, all in one go. ChatGPT, especially in the Pro version, also supports image and voice inputs, and with tools like DALL**E, it can generate images, edit them, and describe them. It integrates Whisper for voice-to-text, and its multimodal reasoning is strong. But slightly behind Gemini when it comes to complex video or audio tasks. However, ChatGPT tends to provide more structured output and better control for developers via OpenAI's API. Coding and developer tools. In the realm of programming and developer support, ChatGPT continues to dominate. OpenAI Codex and now GPT-4.1.5 offer highly advanced code generation, debugging, and explanation capabilities. The code interpreter, also called Python tool or advanced data analysis, is one of the most powerful features of ChatGPT, allowing users to perform calculations, analyze datasets, create graphs, and even manipulate files interactively. Gemini, while proficient at code generation, especially with Palm and Gemini Ultra-based models, still lags slightly behind in consistency and debugging accuracy. Its integration with tools like Colab and Android Studio is promising, but OpenAI's ecosystem for developers is more mature, more widely adopted, and supports broader customization. Integration and ecosystem. The battle between ChatGPT and Gemini is also about ecosystem integration. Google Gemini shines when it comes to real-world usability. It is embedded into Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, and even YouTube, allowing users to generate emails, summarize documents, extract insights from spreadsheets, or interact with videos, all from within their daily apps. This level of seamless integration makes Gemini incredibly smart from a user convenience standpoint. OpenAI, however, is making strides through its partnership with Microsoft. ChatGPT is deeply embedded into Microsoft 365, Word, Excel, Outlook, etc. via Copilot, and Azure OpenAI services are powering thousands of enterprise applications. Additionally, with the introduction of custom GPTs and the ChatGPT memory feature, OpenAI enables a more flexible and personalized assistant experience, something Google is only beginning to replicate. Memory and personalization. In 2025, personalization is a defining feature of Smart AI. ChatGPT's memory feature, available to Plus and Pro users, allows the model to remember user preferences, past interactions, and specific facts about the user, which can be used to tailor future conversations. This brings a much-needed continuity to the assistant experience. Users can manage what ChatGPT remembers, offering both transparency and control. Gemini also offers contextual memory, but typically tied to Google accounts and activity history. While its suggestions can be personalized across Gmail, Calendar, and Search, this integration can sometimes feel more automated than conversational. ChatGPT's personality can be fine-tuned through custom instructions and GPT building tools, making it feel more like a bespoke assistant. Creativity and natural language generation. When it comes to creativity, such as storytelling, poem writing, or brand name ideation, ChatGPT maintains a slight edge in 2025. Its ability to simulate tone, structure dialogue, and maintain narrative coherence makes it a favorite among writers and creators. This creative flair is bolstered by tools like DALL** for visual storytelling and Whisper for voice narration. Gemini is not far behind and is improving rapidly. Its strength lies in data-driven content generation, summarizing articles, generating blog posts from user prompts, or rewriting content based on SEO trends. However, the output can sometimes feel more functional than inspired. Transparency, safety, and alignment. A smart AI must also be safe, transparent, and aligned with human values. OpenAI has continued its commitment to AI alignment, releasing extensive technical documentation and safety benchmarks. ChatGPT's use of moderation filters, transparent memory controls, and its red teaming efforts make it more trustworthy to many users and organizations. Google has also ramped up its AI ethics division and includes built-in safety features like fact-checking, source citations, and responsible use alerts in Gemini. In practice, both systems are robust, but ChatGPT's openness about model capabilities, limitations, and privacy controls is often viewed as more user-friendly. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.